To begin, add 4 large eggs into a large mixing bowl, followed by 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Then whisk everything together until it's completely combined. Whisk, whisk, whisk. As for the bread, we are using 8 thick slices of bread. You don't want to use regular thin slices of bread for this recipe as the bread will just fall apart. Now, in a frying pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure to whisk the batter thoroughly before dipping. Now, it's time to soak the bread. Take the first slice of bread and soak in the coaster mixture. Make sure the bread absorbs a good amount. Once it's soaked, flip it over to soak the other side. If you want to change the flavor, you may use brandy instead of vanilla extract. Make sure to soak long enough so it soaks right through. No one likes dry French toast. You can also use different spices like pumpkin spice during fall. Once the butter has melted, transfer the soaked bread to the pan and cook until golden brown. And after a couple of minutes, flip it over and cook the other side until golden brown as well. To get it perfectly golden on the outside, use medium heat. And do not shy away from using the butter. The fat creates a nice overall golden color. If you are making multiple slices, remember to add more butter as needed for those slices. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the slices. French toast is like bread's way of saying, I'm not just carbs, I'm a dessert too. And remember, you need to make sure there is plenty of butter in your pan as you fry up your French toast slices. I like to serve my French toast with a side of fresh berries, and to finish it off, drizzle some maple syrup, some more butter, and sprinkle some powdered sugar. And now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, French toast. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.